Hello everybody, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Right now we are on the Torn 4. It's starting to look like a very big planet now. We might even be able to do all of it in one go. It's starting to look like a big planet at all.
The bridge seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid! Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits or pirates.
Pardon me. Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Guess they're being cautious.
Who are you?
Been, darling. The Club of Doom is now available. Need I say more? You will definitely want to come back for that.
Oh, we got her. Alright. We might very well have to grind out some boats.
New tourists? Oh, welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoff means paradise in Junkish?
Is the fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoff minute. But the path to him was destroyed in the last pirate raid, so you'll need a hurl shot. Oh, and I saw one in the smelting pits further ahead. Lucky you.
Alright. Sounds like a plan.
After this, are you and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible, but Ratchet is uncertain. Perhaps he is afraid
Wait,
that
afraid? Why afraid?
it is complicated.
Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go, I will.
Oh, God.
There are the smelting pits across the canyon.
But there is no way to reach it.
Time to improvise.
Watch out!
Better jump! Ah!
Oops. She even gave me a fair
Broken
warning.
rail ahead! Here comes another one!
A smelting pit is a curious place for a hurl shot to be.
I'm guessing it has something to do with them all getting recalled recently. Something about fractured spines?
Oh, dear.
Oh, gee.
Smooth. There's a rift! How about that, huh?
Very impressive. They keep coming.
Here comes a jump!
Oh dear. This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on. It goes straight to the smelting pits.
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Ah, now that's a smell. Oh, no.
Avast ahoy, yo-ho, yo-ho, our time has finally come. Let us plunder like mad and go break bad, for the fixer is all but done.
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It seems fate has brought us together again, ma petite rivette.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! You, pirate mateys, attack!
Oh dear, the pirates are raiding for scrap.
We can't let them get that hurl shot.
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea.
Shields up, ladies!
Shields? Looks like...
But you should have seen the fixer. Such power for the last people.
Did you talk him to death or what?
I will not grab anything. Grab it all.
Of them. Let's get that hurl shot down. We've got the hurl shot. Now we just have to get across that pirate-filled chasm and find the fixer.
Oh. Okay.
There's a mistake to get between pirates and their plunderings. Brace yourselves.
We're pinned down.
If Molotov is mostly junk, what are they hoping to loot here?
Where better to find buried treasure than on a junk planet?
The Lombat speaks when our mates give enough water.
Does Pierre have?
Maybe the fixer will help finish them off. But again, we seem to be doing pretty well on our own.
Incoming!
my way!
Do you ever think you're the one getting in my way?
Ha! I am afraid I am the protagonist of this story! Hello, everyone!
Oh man.
Show it what for! Are you getting tired, Rivet? Perhaps you would like a new dance partner!
Oh shit.
Are we going to, dance?
No, we are not.
There be no Clank for ye to walk here. Your end lies with me.
That'll leave another cool scar.
This is what she gets for trying to steal what is ours.
What's yours?
You're not going to startle me. Hold my hearties! Our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! Will it be the expenses?
Are ye sure?
I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted. Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again.
We can now use the hurl shot to reach the fixer.
Ah! Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again.
We can now use the hurl shot to reach the fixer.
Damn it. Alright.
Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again.
We can now use the hurl shot to reach the fixer.
Gotta admit, the fixer being a giant robot is not what I expected.
Perhaps when he is not fighting pirates, he is a gentle giant.
Not my experience with big robots, but we'll see.
Like that.
Almost there!
Wombats! The Yale says they need fixing to fix the fixer! So fix them a quick death!
You're gonna pay for making us scuttle our own ship! Cut them down, mateys!
Too close to the fixer!
Got some solid cover here, and it looks like I could fight them from the sides, too!
Did you think you could get away so easily?
Keep them coming, Pierre! I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me yourself!
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy! We're the fool therein to fix the fixer!
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening!
How will...
Damn it.
Got some solid cover here, and it looks like I could fight them from the sides, too!
Did you think you could get away so easily?
Keep them coming, Pierre! I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me yourself!
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy! We're the fool therein to fix the fixer!
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening!
How will I go on without my greatest power?
Good thing you'll never have to find out! I lost me sight
You could attack from a different angle by tethering to those rifts.
Did you think you could get away so easily?
Keep them coming, Pierre! I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me yourself!
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy! We're the fool therein to fix the fixer!
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening!
How will I go on without my greatest foe?
Oh, really?
Good thing you'll never have to find out!
Fuck. You know what? I can't. I'll play this game in hard mode. Later.
You could attack from a different angle by tethering to those rifts.
Did you think you could get away so easily?
Keep them coming, Pierre! I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me yourself!
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy! We're the fool therein to fix the fixer!
Were you saying something, Pierre?
See, I would have been dead already.
Good thing you'll never have to find out.
But for a second, that's flying.
Sassy backpack.
You guys aren't very good at this.
Yeah, I just drama for you, but it's kind of new to play something. Spending that thing on fanboy, but only 2 years when you got
Perhaps
it.
now Pierre will take the hint.
Speaking from experience, he won't.
Hardly ever played anything other. Couple PlayStation 3 games from time to time, that's about it. Play with some friends, but I've only ever owned it. But PS2 when I was younger.
And so shall ye!
Can't stop now. Not when we're this close to the fixer.
I be honored to blast ye myself. Your scraggly neck will fester the air no more.
Nothing else.
What if the face quartz cannot be fixed?
And we're in deep trouble. But there's no point in worrying about it now.
Exactly will we fix the fixer?
I guess we have to turn him on first.
Was he turned off because he was broken?
Hello? Are you, okay?
No, I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
Oh, my.
At least the pirates are taken care of.
Please focus on the grinding.
He's bringing the whole place down.
Junk ahead.
Destruction is our natural state.
What is he, the breaker now?
enemy of the broken one. You must accept your brokenness.
Is he talking about me?
Because of your arm? Don't listen to him, Bolts. If you're broken, so am I. And I think we're pretty awesome. Do you have any ideas? Because I'm having a hard time thinking while running away from a giant homicidal robot!
I am working on it.
Mine's collapsing. Great.
Men wish to enlighten. I am not deserving of enlightenment. I have no
Wisdom. I may have an idea.
I'm all ears.
I am broken. I cannot fix. I cannot be fixed.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall!
Oh dear.
Can everything stop falling apart, please?
I am fixed.
What are you doing?
Improvising. I may be different than I was, but you helped me realize I am still Clank.
I am quite relieved. When the bullets asked me to protect them, it opened my eyes to a great many broken things. So very many.
And you became distressed.
But being able to fix another, to see that all is not lost. How can I ever repay you both?
Can you fix this?
He did it.
Thank you.
You just gave an old giant robot the gift of hope. It should be I who is thanking you.
Phew. Let's get back to the
Meet the
ship,
fixer.
shall we?
Yes. Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a new Dimensionator.
So, are we gonna talk about you rescuing me back there?
I did?
You did. Looks like you're a natural even in my dimension.
So yeah, we did this all in one go.
I thank you,
So
Rivet.
thank y'all so much for watching.
Let me know when you find something you like.
We got a lot of. I'm waiting for this, 'cause that's a trophy. So we got 20. Lightning rod can be done a bit more.
You gonna love that upgrade. Treat yourself to an upgrade. You earned it. Raritanium? Oh, what a shame.
So you got the big guy back.
That's gonna do it for this episode. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.